Now let's try one more example for Unit 7, Lesson F, and we want to find the total surface area of this rectangular prism. But we need to draw the net. Now, in the previous problem, we just did a net. This is a net of a prism. So we need to draw this out in a net. So we're going to cut this box apart and we're going to unfold it like this. So let me show you how to draw it. You'll need a ruler or a straight edge, your student ID card, library card, bookmark, anything you can find. I'm just going to use, I grabbed an envelope. Now what I want you to do first, this is a little tricky, I want you to draw one really big rectangle. Let me turn this around so I can see how far. Okay. See if I can get these pretty close together. Alright, so first you're going to draw one large rectangle. So if you were to cut a box apart and lay it flat, this is going to be the really long piece. Okay. Now, what we're going to do from here, this long piece is going to represent the right and the left, the top and the bottom, but we need to draw the front and the back. So what I'm going to do first, and also the sides here are a little shorter than the top, so I'm going to draw kind of a short side here. This is going to be the left side. Then I'm going to draw, so this is the left side, then this is going to be the bottom, then I have the right side, and then this is the top. Okay, so this is the left side, the side right here that you can't see. This is the bottom part, this is the right part, and this is the top. So if I took a box and unfolded it. Then the very front, now I'm going to go ahead and extend this line a little bit and this line, because what I'm doing now is I'm drawing this front rectangle right here, which is, and this one that I'm drawing right now, actually, this is the back, so this is the back part, and then this is the front part. Okay, so this is the back, this is the front, this is the left, this is the bottom, this is the right, and this is the top. So if I unfolded this entire box and laid it flat. Okay, sorry you can't see this line, very dark. Now let's go ahead and start putting in some numbers. So I'm going to grab a different color of pen. This front part is 6. This little part here is 4. Now, be careful. This entire edge right here is 13. So this is 13, 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 and so on. Now I'm going to label a couple different parts. This 4 right here is also this little part of the right side. So this is 4, and then here's the top again, so this part of the top right here is also 6. So I'm just kind of plugging in a couple of different numbers that I know. Alright, so let's split this up into 3 different colors. So this one right here is going to be the front. So the front and the back are going to be the same rectangle. So let's do that one first. Okay? And that one, the dimensions are 6 by 4. So the front and the back, 6 times 4, which is 24, but I have 2 of them. So times 2, because there's a front and a back, so that is 48. Now, let's take a look at the top. So this would be the same as the top and the bottom. So this rectangle right here, and this one. So the top and bottom are the same. Now, we need to find the length and width of this. Well, the bottom, this length is also the same as this pink one, so this is 6 times, and this long length is 13, and 6 times 13 is 78. Now this is the tricky part. Some students stop here, but don't forget, the 78 is just for one of them. We have 2 of them, so that's why we're multiplying this by 2, because I have 2 rectangles the same size, so times 2, and we get 156. Alright, one more, hang in there, we're almost done. The right and the left side. So that's this left and the right. And we want to calculate the area of those 2 rectangles. Well, the length is 13, and this little tiny edge right here is 4. So 13 times 4, 52. Now that's just for one of the sides. We have 2 of them. So 52 times 2, and we get 104. Last and final step, we are going to add all of these up for the total. So the total surface area is 48 plus 156 plus 104, and we get 308. Let's label it inches squared. So you can put that answer in the bottom corner where it says surface area, and you did it. Way to go, guys. If you need to review this again, feel free to rewind, replay any part of this video, or as always, send me a Canvas message, or we can go over this in class. Alright, good luck on your homework.